Hello again. This time I want to show you the footpeg lowering kit for Suzuki V-Strom 1050DE. The lowering kit it's from Cosmo accessories from Greece, and it's basically this plate that allow you to move the entire assembly from this point to this point. So it's, I don't know how much it is, it's like 3 centimeters lower. It's very simple to install. You just unscrew these bolts and it's a 6mm Allen key. They are really tight. So I had to use an adapter for a 6mm Allen bit to a long range. You can find adapters like this, but anyway, they are really tight. So you unscrew them, you just take away all this assembly, put the plate from behind. You have to first put 2 screws that comes into this kit, and then you mount the assembly back and fastened with the 2 nuts. And then you get this adapter, so you can make this shaft longer. This is the gear lever, and on the other side it's the brake lever, and then the brake shaft that you have to make it longer. On the brake side everything was okay, easy to adjust. So it's this adapter, so it makes it longer because everything came down, and you also get this small thing here, so you can make the spring longer. This is the spring that will actuate the brake light. So because everything comes down, the spring needs to be a little bit longer, otherwise it will trigger the brake light without you braking. So this is how it works. So the adapter here, it's okay. The plates are made from aluminum, 8mm thick, so they are solid. They feel solid. My problem is here. It feels like this adapter, it's too long, a little bit too long. I wanted it to be shorter. I'm all the way in, so you can't see, you can no longer see the threads because everything is in. So this is as short as it can be. So this is as high as it can get, because when you shorten this, this lever will come up. So I wanted it to be a little bit higher. So I don't want to flex my foot just to come underneath. But it works okay. But there's another problem. So when you, let's see if I can focus here. Yep. So when you shorten this shaft, and this assembly or this lever will move up, you have this hinge. It's also moving a little bit forward, and because I think, again, because this adapter is a little bit too long, this hinge, it's a little bit too way back. Now it's also lowered by 3 centimeters. So when you put down the kickstand, look what happens. You see, it's touching this rubber seal, and again, this is as short this can be, so this is as high you can get, and this is as further away from the kickstand as it can get, and it's still, I think it's this weld here. Let's see. Yeah, here, like this. Bonk. I think it's this weld here that it's rubbing. I think I will polish it away. Make it a little bit flatter, and that will be okay. So that's the problem. That adapter is too long. Yeah, maybe we can change this shaft with a shorter one. I don't know if you can find it, or this adapter a little bit shorter, like maybe half a centimeter. But otherwise, it's a good kit, easy to install. Everything works nice. If I can't really tell you if I feel the difference. It's very hard to tell. I have very long legs, so probably 3 centimeters up or down, it's not much of a difference, but it's hard to tell. I think it's easier to stand up. I mean, my bottom is not so high up. So for me, 191 centimeters tall, or 6'3", it's a little bit easier to stand up on the pegs. But yeah, now I also have these bar raisers, so all in all makes it easier. But yeah, anyway, this is the kit from Cosmo Accessories for the Suzuki 1050 DE. Ride safe.